Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, March 27, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a home-based business that scales two different ways. It's kind of unique in this, in the work from home space. So I thought that I would talk to you about it. If you know me, you know that I am a silver stacker and I've been stacking silver for several years now. And if you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know that I am a wealth ambassador for Quicksilver. All right, and Quicksilver is a precious metals company that has an affiliate side to it. Okay, so they allow you to not only set up an auto wealth delivery, so you can have silver sent to your doorstep on autopilot every month, but they have an affiliate part where you can make commissions by referring others to the not only the business opportunity side of it, but just referring customers, okay? And I would say I have, out of all the people on my team, it's probably about half of them are customers and half of them are wealth ambassadors, okay? So this is important because, you know, silver, just stacking silver alone isn't going to scale any business, right? But when you stack silver and do it like I do for long-term wealth, right? Because that's what I'm doing. I'm stacking silver for, you know, long-term to build generational wealth so that someday when I'm not here, you know, my family will be taken care of. And stacking it because, you know, you're exchanging fiat currency for a tangible asset that has value and that will continue to go up in value over time. Now, right now we're in a pullback. You know, we were up to $120 an ounce just a couple of months ago, and now it's hovering, you know, in the 60s and 70s dollar range. But I have no doubt that it's gonna go back up, and it's gonna surpass the $120 mark at some point. We have a lot of things that are affecting the current price of this right now that would, you know, be a whole nother video. But I am confident that in the future, silver is going to be worth far more than it is now. Okay, so that's why that's why I stack it, because I know it's a tangible asset that has real value, that's been used as a currency for thousands of years all across the world, and that is at some point it's going to go back up. Okay, so stacking silver doesn't scale a business, right? But it can be a part of it, because while you're stacking silver and building for your future, long-term wealth for your future, you can share the Quicksilver opportunity with others and make daily commissions by doing so. Okay, so you're doing two things at once. You're stacking silver for long-term, and you're building your daily income by sharing the opportunity with others. Okay, and this is why this business is so unique, is because this will scale. Once you get going and you get a few customers underneath you or a few wealth ambassadors, it'll scale almost on autopilot. All right. So you're doing two things. You're stacking for long-term wealth. You're building your asset portfolio by stacking silver. And then you're creating a nice monthly residual by sharing the opportunity with other people, right? And that's the real secret here. It's a system that keeps working even when you're not working it. So if you get enough customers and enough wealth ambassadors, you make sales daily almost. I mean, I'm at the point now where I'm getting consistent commissions from this opportunity, right? Which I put my commissions back into stacking more silver. So it's almost like I'm stacking free silver. Basically, that's what I'm doing, because I haven't taken any commissions that I've earned in this opportunity, which I've been a part of now for, oh, geez. I joined in, it'll be 2 years, I think, at the end of this year that I've been a member of Quicksilver. All right? I can't remember the exact date, but it's been a while that I've been a part of it. And the first part of it, you know, I wasn't even sharing the opportunity, basically. I was just I set up an auto wealth so that I was having silver sent to my doorstep every single month and not even having to think about it, which is a real nice benefit, you know? So, but silver builds wealth, okay? It doesn't create cash flow, but while you're stacking silver, you can share this opportunity and build cash flow. So it's a unique home-based business model that scales once you get some people under you, almost on autopilot. All right. And you're doing two things at one time, right? You're stacking silver and you're building up your cash flow, which is unique. So that's how I'm building this business opportunity. I'm sharing it with other people. I'm making commissions when I have customers join me and make purchases, or when I have wealth ambassadors join me and when they start building a team, you know. And it's just a great opportunity. It's a solid opportunity. And company, the owners are very transparent. We have weekly calls if you're interested in becoming a wealth ambassador. We have training every week. We have a Facebook group. If you join me, you get all my resources. I have over 80 different places that you can share this opportunity online. Most of those places are free. I give you my direct mail template, which I use for direct mail. I'm huge into direct mail. And you get my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any assistance. But that is what I'm doing. That's why I like this home-based business, is because it's you're doing two things at one time. A lot of times, you know, if you're involved in a company like this, you're just selling products. You know, they might be health supplements, or they might be digital products or something like that. Not to say that they don't have any value, but when you're selling products that are real tangible assets, and you're trading your fiat currency backed by nothing for something of value that's going to continue to go up in value, it's a huge difference. It's a huge difference. And that's why I like this opportunity and this company. And that's why I'm a proud wealth ambassador for it. So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. You can also get a free silver bar just for checking out the opportunity. You simply go to freesilverbar.com. I'll put a link down below this video, freesilverbar.com. Check us out. You pay a nominal shipping fee to have the silver bar sent to your door. But outside of that, you know, it's a great opportunity. And it's something that more and more people are getting involved with, because they're seeing the crash of the dollar bill. They're seeing that, you know, inflation continues to go up. And it doesn't matter what the politicians say or what side of the aisle you're on. You know, inflation is... I see it all the time. Things are continuing to go up in price. They're going to continue to go up in price. Why not take some of your fiat currency backed by nothing, worth almost nothing, and trade it, exchange it for something of real value, all right? And then if you ever need to get out of it, if you ever need money for your silver, the company will buy it back from you. So that's a good benefit too that I really like. But go and check it out, freesilverbar.com. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And yeah, that's it for this video. So I hope you're all doing well. I'm busy doing some things behind the scenes, other business ventures, but I'm still showing up every day. You can, if you're on YouTube, check out my YouTube posts. I post every day. Go follow me over on Facebook. I'm still marketing every day. I'm still hustling. I'm still putting in the work. I'm still building my Mailbox Money empire. All right. So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.